Báwo ni? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? AC. AC. AC is response. AC is reply. AC is feedback. Right? So let me show you how we use AC in conversation. One, you can for AC. For AC. For AC. That's when two vowels follow each other, one of them is not needed, right? And the one with the first consonant is not always needed. So when you say for AC, this one will go, and you get the word facey. Facey, which means to reply, to respond. Facey. You see the word for, this word for, is the same word as saw, is the same word as we, is the same word as ni, which means to say. Right? So that's when you say kilo for. What did you say? Kilo so. What did you say? Kilo we. What did you say? Monipe. I said that. That's why Burna Boy can say, Timba ni ke juru e juru. He could as well say, Timba we ke juru e juru. Or Timba so pe ke juru e juru. Or Timba for pe ke juru e juru. So it's for. So when you bring it in to for AC, that's where you get the word facey. Ejo mo ma facey láìpẹ́. Please, I will reply. I will respond soon. Right? Mumbe soro oh facey. I'm talking to you. You are not responding. You are not replying. Whether you are being you are being serious about it, or you are just casually saying it, like facey, answer, reply, respond, facey. Me ò fẹ́ facey. I don't want to respond. And apart from for AC, you can ni AC. Ni AC. That's where you get the word, because NI in Yoruba, NI, ni, equals L. Anywhere you see NI, you can put with li. So ni AC can then give you lacy. Lacy. That means to have. Ni means to have a response, to have a feedback, to have a reply. It's lacy. Right. That's where you could have Burna Boy sing, as a de ozu like a de by Ogun lacy. Right? So the word Ogun lacy is a name, right? So Ogun lacy, it means Ogun, which is the god of iron, as response or reply. It's just like if you are a Christian and you say Jesu lacy, that means Jesus has an answer or reply or response to every request, right? Or you hear names like Awo lacy, right? Or Ya lacy. Or you say Olorun lacy. You see, AC is to have a response, right? Mo lacy fún ẹ, I have a response for you. I have a feedback for you. Or when you're talking and you say, oh, ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò lacy àbí, that means what we're talking about, you don't have a response for me, right? Lacy. Then you can gba AC. Gba AC. AC. Gba AC. That's where you get the word gbèsè. Gbèsè from. Gbèsè. Gba AC. You know, I told you when two vowels follow each other, one of them is not needed. In this case, this one is not needed. So that's where you get the word gbèsè. That means to receive a response. Gbèsè. For example, if you say, email tó fi ránṣẹ́ sí wọn lánàá, ṣé o ti gbèsè? Have you received a response from the email that you sent yesterday? Right? So gbèsè is to receive response. Or that's where you get the word for radio from. Radio is ẹ̀rọ asọ̀rọ̀ asọ̀rọ̀ redodo má gbèsì dodo ẹ̀rọ asọ̀rọ̀ mágbèsì. That means the machine that talks. Má sọ̀rọ̀, má, that you don't get a response. So to get a response is gbèsì. To accept a response is gbèsì, gba èsì. Right. Ṣé o ti gbèsì àyẹ̀wò tó lọ ṣe? Have you received the response, the report of the examination that you went to, like medical examination you went for? That's gbèsì. Ìdánwò tó ṣe o ti gbèsì? The exam you went for, have you received the reply? So gbèsì is to receive a reply. Then you can fún noun or pronoun lésì. Fún noun or pronoun lésì. That means to give someone a reply. Right. Mo fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ, jọ̀ọ́ fún mi lésì. That means I sent you an SMS. Please reply or respond to my SMS. Right. So you can fún noun or pronoun lésì. But sometimes you don't fún an elderly person lésì. Let me explain. For example, if someone reports me to my father, and my father calls me, and my father then tells me what the person accused me of, and I now want to respond to my father, to what my father said. You see, now I don't respond to my father, I respond to what my father says. Right? So that's what it is in Yoruba. So you don't fún an elderly person lésì when it comes to accusation or things. You don't say, mo fẹ́ fún yín lésì. That means I want to give you a piece of my mind. Right? But you can fèsì sí, you can reply to what the person says. Right? Mo fẹ́ fèsì sí nǹkan tẹ́ sọ. It's different from mo fẹ́ fún yín lésì nǹkan tẹ́ sọ. Right? So it's you responding to the person versus you responding to what the person says. Right? So mo fẹ́ fún yín lésì nǹkan tẹ́ sọ. But mo fẹ́ fèsì sí nǹkan tẹ́ sọ. Great. But if it's about maybe you send SMS to your dad and he hasn't responded, you know, say, bàbá mi, mo fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ tí fún mi lésì. That means you have not responded to me. Or ẹ tí fèsì sí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ mi, you have not responded to my SMS. Right? So you can fún someone lésì. Mo máa fún yín lésì lọ́la. I will reply tomorrow. I will respond tomorrow. I'll give a report tomorrow. Right? Mo máa gba èsì lọ́la. I will receive the report tomorrow. Right? So now you can also rí èsì. Ibi tá ti rí résì. That means to see a report, to see the response. Mi ò tí résì nǹkan tí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ mi o. I've not seen the response to the SMS I sent. So you can rí èsì. Ó máa rí èsì ayọ̀. That means you will see a response of joy. You witness, you will encounter. Rí is to see, to witness, or to encounter. Right? Then you can mọ èsì. That's where you get the word mèsì. Mèsì from. You see, it's following the same pattern that when two verbs follow each other, one of them is not needed. This is not needed. This is not also needed. Mercy. Mercy is to know the response to give. Right. So that's why they call Ibadan people, they say Ibadan Mercy Ogo. So when you know, so mercy can be in two ways. One, to know what to say. I know what to tell you. I know the response I want to give you. I know the response I want to give you. I know the reply I want to give you. That's mercy. Also, mercy can also be the person knows what you will say per time. Things doesn't catch him all aware. Do you get right? That's where that eulogy in Ibadan come from, like Ibadan Mercy Ogo. That means if you say one, it doesn't catch them unaware, like boom, they give you back, right? One more mercy, more mercy. That's where you get the word Oyo Mercy. Right, the kingmakers in Oyo. So Oyo more mercy. Now say Oyo Mercy. Great. So you can mercy, which means to know the response to give. You can also mercy, which means you are so spontaneous that you always know what to say per time. Right? My Bible boy and sorrow jaku oh mercy. That means don't talk to that guy. Anyhow, he knows what to tell you at any given time. Then you can re-see, by recap now, you can re-see, that means to see, to encounter, to witness, to see a report. Moriesi, that's where you get say esi abajade, the outcome of an event. Esi abajade, outcome of an event. So riesi. Now you can fool someone. Let's see, that means to respond to someone. Is responding to mean that let's see, I don't want to respond to you, let me be going. Right? I don't want to I will respond to you tomorrow. Right? That means to give the person AC. You can gba AC. That means basic. To receive a response, to receive a reply is gba AC. You can also ni AC. Lazy. That means to have response to give. Right? Mo lazy fun lazy to buy. You see. Then you can for AC, which is the word for facey. That means to respond. Facey. Facey. So you can respond to, when you are responding to something, you facey see what the person is saying. Facey sing kotimunso. Facey jaw reply. That. So, and I said that for is the same word as saw, is the same word as ni, is the same word as we, which means to say a response. And that's why King Sunny had said, we le ugbo afasagbejo ń tan ra ẹ̀jẹ̀ afọ̀fọ̀fọ̀fọ̀ wọ́n láwọn ò gbà. So Baba used for. You see, which means to say. Right? Then AC in itself is response or reply or feedback in that sense. Right? And that's why you have names like AC Ayomide, the response, names like AC Ayomide, the response of joy has come. My response of joy has come. AC Ayomide, AC Abajade, outcome. That's the word for outcome in Yoruba. AC Toba Jade, the report that you came out with. AC Abajade. All right, so great. I want you to use all this in two sentences. Two sentences. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 14 in all. Let's do it. Send it to me. Right? I will read it, then I'll respond or reply. Mo máa fèsì. See? Mo máa fèsì. That means I will respond. Mo máa fèsì sí nǹkan tẹ́ bá kọ. Mo máa rí, tí mo bá rí èsì yín, mo máa fèsì. Tẹ́ bá let's see it. Let's see who can use it. It's fun. Right? Let's try to use everything together. Ní àná, mo lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn láti lọ ṣe àyẹ̀wò. I went to hospital to do medical examination. Mo máa retí èsì. I didn't put it. Retí èsì. That means to expect response. Retí is to expect, because the word ìrètí, dodomi, is expectation. Right? To expect is retí. To expect is retí. All right, so let's go back to it. Let's try it spontaneous, right? Ní àná mo lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn láti lọ ṣe àyẹ̀wò. Wọ́n sọ fún mi wípé mo máa gba èsì lónìí. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí mo ń retí èsì, àbúrò mi pè mí láti fún mi lésì ìdánwò tí mo ṣe ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. Nígbà tí mo rí èsì, inú mi dùn. Ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ pé mo ṣe dáadáa nítorí mo ti ń retí. Mo mọ̀ pé mo ṣe dáadáa nítorí mo mèsì tí mo máa gbà tí mi ò bá ṣe dáadáa. Ìyá mi fèsì pé mo jẹ́ ọmọ dáadáa. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lésì. Right, so great. Èsì àbájáde yẹn dáa gan ni. So, but that's just by the way. But make sure you use 2 and let's see what you have. Ire o, boom.
eayoruba.com